Welcome back, it's Nick at Max HP. Today I'm here with Max and his McLaren 570S, and it's definitely not a stock car. So let's check it out and take it for a spin.
What's up, guys? My name is Max. This is my 2019 570S McLaren. This is a Spider, so the top goes down, with a click of a button. It's got a little bit of stuff done to it. Downpipes, tune, all the goodies. It's got a $12,000 Ryft exhaust, catless downpipes.
That's quite the exhaust. So a lot of people watching this are probably wondering how you own this car being so young.
Yeah, no, 100%. I'm in the car business. I do own a used car dealership. I had an upbringing like everyone else, middle-class family. There was always food on the table, stuff like that. But, just starting out, my parents gave me $1,000 to buy my first car when I was 16. And, I fell in love with cars. I started buying and selling them, stuff like that. And it's just at the end of the day, you got to keep your head down. You got to grind, right? Who you hang around will be who you become, right? So if you have 4 or 5 friends, it's very important to audit your circle. Just pay attention to who you stay around. If everyone has the same mindset and you're, hanging around with a bunch of people who like to succeed and better themselves every day, even if it's step by step, day by day, that's the most important thing, right? It didn't happen overnight for me. I drove a 2008 Ford Escape in high school.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, it's just really, the mindset. I know everyone sees that on the internet. It's all your mindset. It's easier said than done, but it really is just keeping your head down and grinding every single day, because it never happens overnight. And you see results slower and slower and slower, and you work your way up.
I love the advice.
So
sweet, good stuff. As far as power from the factory, are these 570 horsepower like the name?
Yep, 570 horsepower to the crank.
And then today, after the mods you mentioned, what's it looking at now?
Right around 700 wheel. I do have a race gas tune that we're not currently on. That'll up it about another 100 horsepower or so.
You're not on it, but you have it available?
I have it. I'm not on it though.
Okay, that makes sense. For someone who's not really familiar with McLaren, what makes the car special?
Well, they're super lightweight, right? So when you combine the 700 wheel with right around 3,000 pounds, they move. They're really fast. But yeah, the whole car basically has a carbon fiber tub, or they call it a monocoque. It's basically like a huge carbon fiber shell. That's kind of where McLaren's at, and they save a bunch of weight that way.
So out of all the supercars you could have bought, what made you want to buy this one?
That's a good question. I had a 650S Spider before this, but obviously this being a 2019, my last one was a 2015. So it's just a little bit better, newer technology. This one's a really nice spec. It's got lots of carbon fiber. It's got, suede Alcantara interior. It's even got a fire extinguisher.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I just kind of wanted a really nice spec, a newer one.
Sweet. Well, it's a good choice, good choice. As far as these cars' price and value, can you touch on that a little bit?
Yeah, when I got this car about 10-12 months ago, I paid $190K, right around $215, $220 out the door. They've went a little bit down in price since then, but they really range from all over. It really depends. Do you want leather? Do you want Alcantara or suede? Do you want carbon on the car? The miles, the Carfax. There's lots of factors into that.
Right.
So.
Driving the car, what's the fastest you've ever gotten the car to?
This car in specific, I've probably got up to 185 around.
Nice. Do they have a limiter?
I'm sure it'll go 200.
Okay.
I don't know if there's a limiter, but I don't know if we want to find out.
Yeah, that's fast. Once you're going like 185,
yeah,
it's scary enough.
And it gets there really quick. So
that's sweet. What are the specs of like 0 to 60? I don't know, 60 to 130, do you know those?
Man, I'm not sure. I have a Draggy. I've never used it.
What?
When I got the car, I thought I'd be racing it. I don't really race it too much. Just kind of for myself and drive around and stuff.
Fair enough. Gotta get that Draggy out.
Yeah, I know I do.
So I know these cars, they got quite a bit of technology in it. Can you touch on like the interior, what we would look at in there?
There's different packages on these cars. This one specific has the luxury pack, so it's got, soft closed doors. You can just kind of close them like that. It'll latch itself.
Oh, sweet.
Obviously windows roll down when you open it.
Yeah.
This one has heated seats, which is an option. Bowers and Wilkins, if you want to show them right here. It's got a 12-speaker sound system, and it's got this nice yellow speakers in the doors, which is really cool. Other than that, this is a 1016 Industries carbon fiber wing.
Okay, I was gonna ask you about that. It stands out.
Yeah, it does stand out. I'd prefer a lower wing, but I bought it like that, so it's all personal preference.
Yeah.
But onto the exhaust, it's got a full Ryft titanium exhaust, which you can kind of see all the way through the car. So basically it's straight pipe, so it sounds really loud and really fun.
Yeah, I heard it off camera. It sounds wild. And it's a Spider, so the top comes down?
Yeah, yep. Two things about the Spider is it's got this back window that rolls down, which makes night and day difference while you're driving.
Okay.
From here in the exhaust node.
Nice, we can check that out later.
Yeah, with the Spider, all you gotta do is just one click of a button.
That's awesome. Pretty fast.
Not bad. So.
That changes the whole experience right there.
Yeah.
As far as the entirety of the car, if you had to choose one thing that's your favorite, could you do that, and what would that be?
Yeah, I mean, I just like the fact that I have, you know, I got the downpipes, I got the tune. You know, these cars stock, they're a little bit quiet. You know, they're kind of like a Honda Civic or a vacuum cleaner, if you will. So kind of the fact that I have the mods, it just makes the whole car, you know. There's nothing like being behind the wheel, just ripping it, man. It's just fully straight piped. It's making gunshot noises. I just love it, man. It's such a driver's car. Those of you who aren't familiar about McLarens, they're a really raw driving car. You know, you kind of feel all the power, you know, especially being lightweight. I mean, you feel every little horsepower, so.
Yeah. So I noticed the brakes are huge. Can you talk
Yes.
about those a little bit?
So this car has carbon ceramic brakes. They are very expensive. Brand new, don't quote me on this, I believe each rotor is about $5 grand from McLaren.
Goodness.
Brake pads aren't so bad, they're about $1,500 an axle. But yeah, they have, you know, it's got carbon ceramic, so it stops very, very nicely. You'd be surprised, the brake pedal is really hard, so you have to pretty much mash it for it to stop. But once you get to that point in the brake pedal, it just completely will stop on a dime.
Yeah.
In the rear, I think it's 325s,
Okay.
so it's a pretty decent sized tire to hold down the power.
That's really wide.
So, yeah.
Wow.
We're gonna do some pretty fun driving. You know, you guys will be able to hear the car and, you know, how she rips, so.
Sweet. Well, let's
Cool.
take it for a spin.
Awesome. Welcome to the 570.
Yeah, it's amazing.
So,
Does this car have cruise control?
it does. It does have cruise control.
It wouldn't. Seems like it wouldn't be the worst car for
Oh no,
a
not
long
at all.
rally or a long drive.
Not at all.
Like-
It's extremely comfortable.
Yeah, once the windows are shut
Yeah.
and like put it in comfort mode or whatever it's got.
So over here you have your like little control panel, right? On the left-hand side, this is your suspension. On the
Okay.
on the right-hand side, this is your power. So you have normal, sport, and track mode on each side. To activate any of this in general, you have to press this active button. Once you hit it, it'll glow up orange like that.
Okay.
And then, you know, you have normal, sport, track power, so you throw it in track power. For suspension, it actually gets way stiffer in track mode. So if you do daily drive it, keep it in normal, it's super soft, you know, not a bumpy ride, but when you want to go around turns, have traction, you know, you want to hit that.
Yep.
And then obviously you have traction control here, you have manual mode, and then you have the Go Fun button, which is the launch control.
Oh yeah.
So with that back window, you can hear the exhaust noise right now as soon as you roll it down.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Wow. That is so loud. That's an awesome exhaust.
Yeah, thank you.
What are we about to try?
Launch control
Just launch control.
with no traction on.
No traction.
No traction at all.
Launches pretty hard.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that sounds wild.
Like they're all cheering in the background and stuff. Everyone loves this car.
Yeah.
Do it.
Oh my gosh. That's insane. Oh
Yeah, I love this thing, bro.
Oh, this sound. Oh my gosh. So that's shooting flames, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. So every one of them gunshot sounds you hear is like a flame, like anywhere from like this to this big.
Oh my goodness. So. Blow off valves.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Oh man, it just pulls so hard. Wow. That rear window makes a huge difference. It's amazing.
Yeah, no, I know. I need gas here though, because I got 1%.
1% gas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you just notice that?
Yeah.
That would be interesting content.
Yeah.
Ran out of gas in the
highway. Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh my God. It's a rocket ship. That's so loud. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh man. Oh.
Yeah.
Does it have much turbo lag?
Yeah, it's got a good amount.
It does.
I mean, it's debatable, but I think it does.
Yeah. And that just, oh man. And that just doesn't matter for the engine, like it's just meant for it and tuned for it.
Well, nothing's guaranteed in life. But,
Right.
It's miles per gallon.
Yeah, that's just wild. It sounds like,
Yeah.
oh, it's just, it sounds crazy. We're gonna try to do like a 60 pole or something?
Yeah, we can try it.
Oh, wow. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Unreal. It's miles per gallon for sure. Wow.
I was trying to do a 40, but this. Alright, you ready? This is a little bit of brake boost.
Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh. Oh, I love it.
Still spinning though.
It's
Spinning a ton, dude.
What a blast. Oh, man.
Sounds so good, huh?
It does. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, baby. Oh man. Get a little wheel spin, but once it hooks up, it goes. It's quite the car.
Yeah, yeah, no, 100%.
Oh my gosh. Oh. didn't let up like at all.
I know. It has so much more in it, but you know.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta be safe.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh.
So you can feel how it handles, like just grips like an animal.
Yeah. Wow. Little like 20 pull. Oh my gosh.
After our ride, Max gave my brother a ride, and this is how he reacted.
Yeah.
That big dangly thing you're seeing is a microphone wire that fell, so my bad.
Well, thanks for doing that.
Yeah, no, 100%,
I appreciate it.
bro.